Alright, this is how to create image pool on YouTube. First, launch a web browser or open your YouTube mobile app. As the browser opens, visit youtube.com. Once you're here, you are good to start creating what you want to create. But if maybe you are not signing in automatically, please sign in with your Gmail account detail. Alright, then click on your profile icon. From the options, select View Your Channel. Alright, once you are here, take a look at this. Ensure that this post sign is here, this post test. So click on it. Once you are taken to this page, it's time for you to start creating your image pool. Alright, so select Image Pool. Now ask your question here. So start typing. And here mine reads, which of these creators does not create content on YouTube growth? So it's time for you to start uploading the image. So here, click on this image icon. Now this will open a folder on your PC. Navigate to the folder containing the pictures you want to use for this. So I'll click on my pictures folder. Then I will select this first guy here. I'll click on it and select open. The next step, click on this image on the option 2. Then click on the second image you want to use, click on open. Now I want to have three options here. So I will click on add option. Alright, then I will select this image icon again and pick the next image, which is this guy. I'll click on it and I will select open. Alright, so if you like, you can post this. If you like, you can start giving names. Okay, so this guy is tech informant. Good, I'll give him name. Then this guy is Rob Wilson. And this guy is MKHD also. So this is MKBHD. That's the next option. So I have three options here. If you want to have another option, click here and add the picture and also add the name if you want to do that. On the assumption that I'm done with what I want to do here, the next step is to post. But if you want to schedule, you have option to schedule this. Click here, select schedule, feast time and date. All right. But in this case, I'm posting it right now. So I'll click on post. And once you post that, this will appear here. So some persons that visit your YouTube channel can then start voting. And that's that. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. The video on the screen will walk you through on how to create image pool on YouTube. So you can still watch it to learn as well.